Hey guys, today I want to make a short video how to set up a torque wrench. So this torque wrench has a little scale there, and we have a lock and unlock device here, so we can lock it and unlock it. So we unlock it, and today we want to set up 110 Newton meters. So we have a little scale there, and we can turn till we reach 110 Newton meters. So now after that we lock it so it can't be moved anymore. And now we see the force we can bring with this torque wrench now is 110 Newton meters. That's very easy. Thank you guys.